Okay, I'm going to help you with some of your problems today. The problems that I said I would help you with on the blog is problem 1B. So 1B looks like this. It says 85 as my divisor and 510 as my dividend. So one of the first things that I always like to do is put my decimal there so that I don't forget it. Okay? So I'm going to do this on the next slide. Okay, now the first thing that I always do is I want to look at my first number, my divisor, and see if it's going to go into 5. Does 85 go into 5? The answer is no, so I like to put a 0 as a placeholder up there. So 0 times 85 is 0. I'm going to subtract. Bring down my 5. Now, brother, bring down the 1. So I want to look, does 85 go into 51? Again, the answer is no. So that's a 0 up there. So when I put my zeros down here and I subtract, it's just going to be 51 again. Bring down your 0. Now I want to see if 85 will go into 510. I know it's going to go into 510. Because 85 is less than that. So I'm just going to think of some numbers, and if you think about what I said in class, how many times would 8 go into 51? And that's going to be 6 times. And 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 3 is the 51. So my answer to this problem is 6. Okay, the next one I said I'll help you out with is 2B. So again, when I look at this, 94 is my divisor, 564 is my dividend. Again, I want dividing 564 by 94. So I'm going to put my decimal. I like to move it up into the quotient. Now, again, I'm going to see how many times 94 will go into this. So does 94 go into 5? The answer is no. I like to put my 0. Subtract. That's a 5. Bring down the 6. Does 94 go into 56? The answer is no. It's a 0. Bring down the 4. Now I want to see, does 94 go into 564? Again, if I cover up the 4 in that 564 and I look at 56, and I cover up the 4 in the divisor, I look at 9. How many times would 9 go into 56? The answer should be 6 times. So I put that above the 4. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 9 is 54, plus 2 is 56. So that terminates. So again, this answer is 6.